symbol of elegance, power, and comfort on the open road, and the 2026 edition takes everything to an even higher level. From the moment you lay eyes on the exterior, you notice the bold design, the sleek lines, and the commanding presence. Built on the Spartan K3 chassis with a powerful 605 horsepower Cummins X15 engine, the Cornerstone offers unmatched strength and performance, giving you the confidence to take on mountain passes and long cross-country adventures without hesitation. The ride is smooth thanks to independent front suspension and air ride technology, making every journey not just manageable but truly enjoyable. As you step inside, you are greeted with an atmosphere that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. Every detail has been carefully crafted to provide a seamless blend of sophistication and functionality. The polished porcelain tile floors, hand-laid with care, reflect ambient lighting that runs along the ceiling and cabinetry, creating a warm and welcoming glow. The villa furniture is upholstered in high-quality leather, ensuring both comfort and durability. The cockpit is designed with the driver in mind, featuring digital displays, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this large coach surprisingly easy. Moving further into the living area, you'll find power reclining sofas, a fireplace, and a large 4K smart television, all designed to create a space that invites relaxation. The kitchen continues this luxurious theme, offering quartz countertops, a dishwasher, induction cooktop, and a residential refrigerator that makes it easy to prepare meals just like you would at home. The storage solutions are thoughtfully designed, from deep pull-out drawers to overhead cabinets with soft close mechanisms, ensuring that everything has its place. The master suite is where the 2026 Cornerstone truly shines. A king-size sleep number bed sits at the center, flanked by beautifully designed nightstands and surrounded by exquisite woodwork. The integrated entertainment system allows you to enjoy movies or music in complete comfort, while the spacious wardrobe and washer-dryer combo make life on the road as convenient as possible. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a dual vanity, large shower with a teak seat, and luxury fixtures that rival any high-end hotel. Beyond luxury, Entegra has focused on technology and safety. The 2026 model is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, collision mitigation, lane departure alerts, and adaptive headlights. Energy management is also improved, with a robust generator, solar prep, and lithium battery upgrades, ensuring you can enjoy off-grid adventures without sacrificing comfort. The Entegra Cornerstone has always been about more than just travel, it's about the lifestyle it provides. Whether you are heading to a luxury RV resort or exploring the scenic backroads of the country, the 2026 Cornerstone offers a sanctuary on wheels, combining elegance, performance, and reliability. It is not just a motorhome, it is a statement of how travel should feel: effortless, comfortable, and refined. This is the ultimate coach for those who refuse to compromise, and the 2026 edition continues to set the gold standard for what a